Hi guys, welcome to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. So we have a computation here. So we have a 45 and 90 degrees. So this is our 45, okay, and we have a 90 degrees. Okay, on this 45 degrees elbow, we have two 45 degrees elbow, and so we will find the center to center of elbow, which is 45 degrees, and also called travel, and we will compute also the spool or spooling. So this is our spool. So we have a joint 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is our spool, and we have a given of elevation to elevation. Okay, so we have elevation 4,550 and we have elevation of 3,260. Okay, so, and we have also a given of diameter of pipe, which is 12 inches. So our diameter of pipe is 12 inches. So how we will compute this center to center of elbow and spool? With the same procedure for this 90 degrees elbow, but they have a different computation. Okay, what I mean is you you can minus it this elevation both, and but they have a different computation. The difference from this 45, we will use it the constant 45 degrees 1.414. Okay, now let's start for this 45 degrees. Okay, so we will minus it first this 4,550 and 3,260 using this calculator. Okay, so for 4,550 minus 2 3,260. Okay, well, this is the answer, but this is not the final answer for the travel for the center of elbow, which is we will find this one. This is our question. This is the first we will compute it in the procedure minus of elevation by elevation. Okay, so this is our answer 1290, and this is not the final answer, and we will multiply it to constant 45 degree, which is 1.414. Okay, multiply it to 1.414, and then this is it. So this is our travel or the center to center of elbow, 1824.06. Okay, so we have answer of 1824.06. so that is our answer. So next, this is spool. So how we will how to compute this spool? Okay, first we must know the computation of takeoff. So the formula of takeoff of 45 degrees, we have a 15.8 and 5/8. So 5/8 is for inches and 15.8 is for millimeter. Okay, or 0.625 for the decimal. What do you mean? 5. This is the 5 divided 8 equals 0.625. You can use it also this 0.625 for the inches, but we will use it the millimeter because we have elevation using millimeter. So to find the takeoff, And to find the spool, so 15.8 multiply it to, so our degrees, this our diameter is 12, multiply it to 12. So this is our answer. And 1896. We have 2 elbow, just multiply it to 2. So this is our answer for the takeoff, 379.2. Okay, 37. So this is 379.2. So this is our TO. This is our takeoff. And then we will minus it to travel to take off. Okay, so 1824.06 minus it to take off of 379.2. So this is our spool, 1444. So this is our answer here for the spool. .86. So this is a final answer. Okay, this is a very simple way, but this is always use it for the interview for the Pipefitter. Okay, so Pipefitter, for the new Pipefitter, you must know this computation. So next, this is a 90 degrees elbow. Okay, I said lately they are same procedure, and the difference is we are using this 1.414 for the 45 degrees. Okay, for this 90 degrees elbow, just minus it 4,000 minus it to 3,500. Okay, so 4,000 minus it to 3,500. So we have 500. So this is our the final answer for the travel. So this is the final answer, 500. Okay, this is already answer 500. We are not using computation 1.4 because we have using 90 degrees elbow. Okay, and then to find not here, from here, this is our center to center of elbow. So next is we will find this spool with the same procedure of 45 degrees. Just get a takeoff and then minus it here. Okay, so our formula here is 1.5 and 38.1. 1.5 per inches, 38.14 millimeter. Okay, and then after get the takeoff, minus it here, and this is our answer for the spool. Okay guys, and this is my video, and thanks for watching guys. I hope you have learned regarding this computation for the Pipefitter, and don't forget to subscribe. Just comment here if you have a comment for my video, just leave it a comment, and have a nice day guys. Bye bye, see you next time. Hi guys, welcome to Piping Welding NDT channel. So welcome for my channel, and this is my video. We have to find degrees of angles and to find the length of sides. So this is to find the angles, and this is to find the side, length of side. Okay, so this is all formula regarding angles. Okay, so let's start to find the degree of angles. So here we have a set divided to travel, so equals sine, and so this is our set divided travel equals sine. Okay, so here is a formula. So next is run divided travel equals cosine, and set divided to run equals tangent. So we have a set and run equals tangent. Okay, so this is to find the degree. So next is travel divided to run equals secant, and then run divided to set equals cotangent. Okay, so please take note this formula for angle, because this is a very commonly used, this is a useful regarding jobs of the category of the pipefitter, so that you know what is the degree of your if you're reading an isometric, they are given only the dimension, and then compute it what is the degrees. Okay, so next is, so this is to find the length of side. So if we have a degrees, so we will find it the length of set, run, or travel. So here, so this is the travel, multiply to sine equals, so this is set, and then travel, this is a cosecant, divided to cosecant equals set, run multiply tangent equals set, run divided to cotangent equals 1, and this is a travel divided to cosine equals 1. This is travel divided to secant equals run, and set multiply to cotangent equals run. So this is set divided to, this is t, meaning is tangent, so equals run. And we have a set divided to cosecant equals tangent, and set divided to sine equals tangent, and we have a run divided to secant equals tangent, and run divided to cosecant, cosine equals tangent. So this is all formula regarding to find the length of side. If they are given one, for example, they have a given of travel, and then we have a degrees of, let's say this is a 45. Okay, so we will find it the set and also all the given set, run, or travel. Okay guys, and I will give you an example regarding this both formula by angles and side. Okay, let's say, for example, the set and travel, we will find the degrees. Let's say we have a set of, let's say this is 8 divided to travel. Let's say our travel is 15. Okay, so equals, and then this is a sine equals sine, shift to find the degrees, shift, and then sine equals, so this is our degree, 32 degree. Okay, so this is an example, so very easy way. So please take note all this guys, and that's all for now guys, and thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. If you have a comment regarding this formula, just leave it, and have a nice day guys. Thank you, bye bye, see you next time. Hi guys, welcome to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. So this is a computation of travel, and we will compute the travel, we will find the travel, we will find the spool, and also we will find this spool also, but they have WN, or we have a weld neck flange. Okay, So first, our given is, we have a given of elevation, we have two given of elevation, we have a given of diameter of pipe. So this is a 48 diameter of pipe. So our class, or our, this is a weld neck flange. So this is a class of a weld neck flange. So 300. So we will use it the API 605 or pipeline bulbs. So the meaning of API 605, this is American Petroleum Institute. So this is pipeline, okay? So they have dimension of this welding class, they have a dimension based on the class, okay? So our class is 300. So before that, we will compute first this travel and spool, okay? So we have elevation of 5,000, so this is 5,000, and we have also elevation of 8,500, okay? So to find this travel, or to find this center to center of elbow, so our elbow is, we have two 45 degrees elbow, okay? And we will use it also this, for the 45 degrees elbow, we will use it the 1.414, okay? This is a constant degree of 45, 1.414, okay? So before that, we will minus it the elevation 8,500 and 5,000, okay, to find this travel or center to center of elbow, okay? So 8,500, using this calculator, minus 5,000, okay? So we have a 3,500, okay? So we have a 3,500. So where do we get this 3,500? We minus it, this 8,500 and 5,000 elevation, okay? Now, so this is not a final answer for the travel, okay? Just now, this is, we will use it the 1.414, okay? 1.414. So see, this is a multiplication, and using this calculator, we will multiply it the 1.414. So this is it. So this is our answer for the travel. So this is our answer for the travel, 4,949, okay? So we have answer now of 4,949, okay? So if we round up this one, this is already, this is already about 5,000. So we have now an answer for the travel. Now we will compute it this. Next is spool. Okay, this is our spool. So our spool is from here to here, okay? So to find that, we must know the takeoff of 45 degrees elbow, okay? We have a 15.84 millimeter, and we have a 5.8 for 45 degrees also, but this 5.8 is inches, and we have 15.84 millimeter, okay? So we are using a millimeter, okay? So we will use it the 15.8. This is a formula for the 45 degrees elbow. So remember that, for the 45 degrees elbow, to find takeoff. So 15.8. So our diameter is 48, multiply it to 48. So this is our answer for the take off. 758.4, but this is only for one elbow only, for one elbow. Okay, so we have a 2 elbow, just multiply it to 2. So this is now the answer of our 2 elbow. So we have a 1516.8. So this is for 2 elbow, and this is for 1 elbow. The 758.4, this is for 1 elbow, and this is for 2 elbow. Okay, so the take off. So this is a take off. So this is a take off. Okay, TO take off. Now we are already find the take off. To find the spool, we will minus it this 4949. Okay, so 4949 minus it to take off 1516 minus it to 1516.8. So this is our answer for the our spool is 3432.2. Okay, and in actual we have a gap of 3 mm to 4 mm based on the specification of the or the procedure of the project, company project. Okay, this tolerance or the gap, they have a specification based of the project or the company. We will see this gap from the WPS or the welding procedure specification. Okay, but normally we have a 3 mm to 4 mm. This 4 mm is already maximum. Okay, so we will minus it that 2 gap. So we have a 2 gap here. So we have we will so our gap, we will compute it for the maximum gap. So we have a 4 mm here, and we have a 4 mm here. So we have a 8 mm. Just minus it, this 8 mm minus it to 3432. So that one is our final spool. Okay, so that's clear. And we have another question here, and we have a flange. So this is another computation. So we have center of elbow, we have, and from the flange. Okay, so our dimension here is 3000. Okay, we will compute, we will find this also. This is full. Okay, I already asking lately. So we have a dimension from this weld neck flange. So our weld neck flange is 48 diameter, and our class is, we have a class. So this is our class is 300. Okay, based on API, American Petroleum Institute 605, our class is 300, and the dimension of this weld neck class is 'So this is our dimension. So this is 2 to 4. Okay, this is our dimension for this weld neck plus based on API 605 class 300. So based on the excuse me, based on also from the class. Okay, So we will compute that. So we have already one elbow. So we have already computed that, and we have a takeoff of 758.4 for one valve, for one elbow, sorry. And so 758.4. So we will add this. So we will add this dimension of the weld neck flange. So 224 plus 224. So we have a final answer of 982.4. So remember that answer 982.4. We will minus it to 3,000, okay? So 3,000 minus it to 982.4. So this is our spool. Our spool is 2017. Okay, 0.6. So this is a very easy way to compute this travel spool, and we have a fittings also. So that's all for now, guys, and I hope you have learned regarding this video, and thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe and just comment my video. If you have a comment, just write it, and have a nice day, guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.